Sir, I have a quick question to ask you. Ah! Oh, I am deeply sorry, sir. I am deeply... Oh, God. Say anything, can kill you. Happy birthday, sir. What did I tell you, Alfred? Okay, this is it. I'm just gonna jump off, glide down. It's my new cape. Okay, let's hope this works. Alfred, did you hear something? Never mind that, sir. I just want to know why you're so self-indulgent. What does that mean? So self-pity. No comprendo, Senor Mondejo. Such a jack on your birthday. I told you before, I can't celebrate my birthday while he's out there. And who might that be, sir? I don't know. All I know is that he's out there. Quite. Listen, sir, why don't you just take this cough drop, which I think was my present to you anyway. What's this? It's a candy designed to stop your cough. They make those? Yes, now just try it already. Okay, Alfred.
Alfred? Alfred? Alfred!
Oh, my word. Oh, that's going to be hard to clean.
Alfred, come in here.
Well, I better go see where that voice is coming from. Hello, you wanted to see me?
Just wanted to thank you for the cough drop. That's weird. It's the bat phone. Hello?
Hello, Batman. This is Commissioner Gordon. Joker has escaped from Arkham Asylum again.
Dang it, you guys have like the worst security ever.
Dude, don't you think we should be guarding right now?
Nah.
Hey, wasn't that our prisoner?
Yep.
Let me guess, we're gonna blame it on the new guy, right?
Yep.
I love my job.
Wait a minute. Is that you, Batman?
Yeah? Who else do you call on this hotline?
I'll call you back, Batman. His voice is all I've never seen anything so stupid.
Gordon? You're still on the line.
I am?
Yeah, I can hear everything you say. Can't stand the man myself.
Look at all these dead bodies. Puts a smile on my face. Freeze, Joker! Wow. I didn't even know I could do that.
I didn't either. It's over, Joker. Don't mock me! Stop it! I will destroy you!
Your voice is really high!
The city is safe again, thanks to...
Can I help you?
you!
Ah!
Now listen to me.
I didn't do it. I swear.
Don't take that tone with me. I've been looking for you my whole life, and I don't know why. Now you're gonna tell me why.
Ha 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 ha.
Answer me!
If you give me some space, I'll tell you.
Okay, now tell me.
Maybe it's because I have new fluffy white mints.
New fluffy white mints.
Oh no, it's stuck in my throat. Anyway, new fluffy white mints. They're minty delicious. It was just a commercial? What a complete rip-off!